You are tasked with moving an on-premises analytics application that processes large data files, up to 16 gigabytes, in memory for approximately 45 minutes every night. Your primary goals are to reduce operational overhead and costs while migrating to Google Cloud. What is the most appropriate approach to host this process? Option A. Package the application binaries in a container and trigger it as a Cloud Run job using Cloud Scheduler.
Option B, containerize the application, deploy it to a GKE cluster, and configure the Kubernetes scheduler to run the job at midnight. Option C, rewrite or deploy the code as a cloud function and trigger it using Cloud Scheduler. Option D, perform a lift and shift migration by moving the binaries to a compute engine virtual machine and scheduling instant start and stop times.
Essentially, the challenge here is finding an execution environment that balances resource requirements, specifically memory usage and duration, with a desire for serverless, low-maintenance infrastructure. We need to decide between managed container services, serverless functions, or traditional virtual machines for a periodic batch workload. In my view, the correct answer is option A, Cloud Run jobs are purpose-built for batch-style, containerized tasks that perform a specific unit of work and then terminate. This makes them ideal for an infrequent, time-bound process that runs for 45 minutes daily. By using a containerized approach, you eliminate the operational burden of patching and maintaining an operating system, and you only pay for the time the job is actively executing. Regarding the other options, I believe cloud functions would likely fail due to strict execution time and memory limitations when handling 16 gigabytes of data. While lift and shift migration to a virtual machine is an option, it requires ongoing maintenance of the virtual OS, which conflicts with your goal of reducing overhead. Finally, deploying a full GKE cluster is overkill for a single batch process and adds significant unnecessary complexity and management costs to your environment.